Do adjustments make people feel better? No, they don't. What helps people feel better is actually staying in alignment. So if an adjustment is done and you go out of alignment a day later, hours later, a month later, it only helped you that long. The Blair upper cervical technique gets to the root of the problem. That allows the body to self-adjust. After a bit of time in the Blair technique, people hold their adjustments for months and sometimes years. Imagine staying in alignment for years. I have many patients that stay in alignment for years. If you've had bad success with chiropractic and that your adjustment doesn't hold very long, look up a Blair upper cervical chiropractor. We're really good at getting that body to balance out without the need of a lot of adjustments. I'm Dr. Jensen. I'm a Blair upper cervical chiropractor. Follow me for more videos and like this video.